Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 77,000 miles on the odometer. Key features include anti-lock brakes, Bluetooth, cruise control, MP3 player, keyless entry, power windows, power door locks, power steering, stability control, OnStar, Sirius satellite radio, and traction control. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city, and 38 miles per gallon on the highway.